Okay, so I have some things from Coach, which I'm so happy about. I actually have two items. I have a handbag here, and this bag is so cute. But actually, I'm gonna make a separate video going into detail about it. And this is, it came with a bunch of wrapping paper to protect the item, and then also I have my receipts, and you guys cannot see my address. It comes in this super pretty black box, super pretty. And I would say for shipping, the shipping was pretty fast. It probably took like a week to get to me. But I've been browsing these items for a while, so I just took the opportunity and decided to purchase something super nice for me since, the season's coming up. But I will show you guys what's in this box. It's so pretty. The camera doesn't know justice. I'm back again. The quality looks super clear, but if anyone is super good on CapCut who can help me kind of like edit and things like that, please let me know, because I do need help in that. I made the cutest little TikTok about the bag first before I started showing you guys. But okay, so here is the bag. She's so cute, but I'm actually gonna unwrap it with you guys. And the retail price is at $328, if you can see it. And yeah, here we go. She's so gorgeous. If you guys can get a really good look at it, she's so pretty. Kind of heavy, the chain, and that's how you know it's kind of that's how you can kind of tell it's a quality bag. But I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna bring you guys back once she's fully undone. But I'm going to finish this and I'll bring you guys back. But this is the Coach Mini Pepper in black and brown, and she's so pretty. Like, look at that. So pretty. This is the sides, and the back is just plain. There's your little key tag, but the back is just plain, which is so pretty. The Coach logo. But yeah, and this is it's a magnet. It's pretty sturdy. That's how you know it's a quality bag. But yeah, it's still new. For the most part, I took everything apart. But yeah, that's a magnet, as you guys can hear that snap. And this is gorgeous Coach, and it says New York. There we go. And then the inside is a magnet as well. This middle piece is a magnet, which is pretty awesome, pretty cool. But overall, she's gorgeous. She's a beauty. And yes, I'm very happy with this purchase. Very happy. I would recommend, if you like this shape, I would recommend to get this bag for sure. Super pretty, like the square. It's very chic, very classy. Once I put something in it, like some lip gloss or something in it, I'm definitely gonna show you guys the inside and how much you can fit in here. I have a card holder, so I used to have wallets, like huge wallets and stuff, but I do not. My style has changed, and I don't really carry that anymore. So I'll put some stuff in here, and I'll come back and show you guys. Yep, it's in there. I have iPhone 12 Pro. It actually fits. I'm gonna close it up. The magnet, so pretty. Gorgeous. Yeah, definitely, guys, definitely, if you can get your hands on this bag, or if you're a Coach fan like me, definitely grab it. It's so pretty. And this is the side. This is how like thin it is. I would say this is definitely for going out. You definitely feel like a boss with this. But yeah, that is it for this Coach bag. And like I said, it's the mini pepper, and I'll link it at the bottom. Thank you. Lastly, like I said, my cash debit cards, I typically use Apple Pay. My card is in there. Things like that. Perfume. Sometimes I carry wet wipes, but I don't have any on handy now. So yes, and these are the main 3 lip glosses that I use on a day-to-day basis. So right now, this is actually one of my favorites. This is the NYX, NYX, and this is in the shade Creme Brulee. If this would focus. But this is in the shade Creme Brulee. This is one of my favorites. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that in there. This is another NYX, NYX. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie. And I'm going to link these below. And you can get these from Target. They're about $3.99 for $4.99 I think right now. But I'm going to put that in there. And then this is actually like, this is one of my favorites as well. This is a Beauty Supply lip gloss actually, and sometimes I find these at TJ Maxx. She's a Beauty Supply one. I don't know the name. I don't know the name of it, but you can find these at a Beauty Supply. It's like a lip oil, and this is so good. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then this is another lip gloss. This is actually my brand. Super pretty, light pink, vegan, and it's just clear. But this is my brand. Once I get a website and some models and stuff, this will be available to everyone and anyone. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in my bag. And then for now, that's what I have in this purse right now. So this purse actually can fit a lot, like a decent amount. And then like I said, I walk around with cash and stuff. All right, here's me with the bag. Excuse my room, it's a little messy, but yeah.